Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many treadmill owners face, the E6 error code. If you are seeing the error, don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's dive right in. The E6 error typically indicates a problem with your treadmill's control board or wiring. This can be frustrating, but it's often easy to fix. The common issue include loose and damaged wires, incorrect corrections, and or issues with the motor inclination systems. Step-by-step solution to fix E6 error. Follow this step. Power down and unplug. Turn off your treadmill and unplug it from the power sources. Inspect the wire harness. Remove the panel to access the wires. Check for loose connections, incorrect wiring, and physical damage like fraying or corrosion. Reconnect or replace wires. If you find any issues, unplug the reattach the wires securely. If damaged, consider consulting an electrician for replacement and reasonable and test. Reassemble and test, and once fixed, the reassemble the treadmill, plug it back in, and turn on its see if the error persists. Additional tips: if the errors persist, it might be related to the motor inclination system. In some cases, entering engineering mode can help diagnose the issue. Always refer to your treadmill's manual for specific instructions. And that's it. Hopefully, this step help you to resolve the E6 error on your treadmill. Remember to regularly maintain your equipment to prevent future issues. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech related problem solving content.